I see you have some pumpkin spice Cheerios. It's not gonna do it.
You shouldn't have turned them back.
Do it again.
Why want to do it again?
I don't know.
Camera shot.
We'll edit it. I didn't do it that time.
Okay, it'll work.
Oh, okay, wait. I'm gonna hit. Oh. Oh no! That was a good one. He's on a roll. I can't do it anymore. It's gonna kill me. Oh, oh no.